I received this 8-bay smart battery charger from Power Owl, and it is awesome. For one thing, they give you an 8-bay battery charger, which can use AA as well as AAA batteries. And they've also provided you 4 AA and 4 AAA batteries, as well as a charging cable. All you're going to need to do is put it on one of your attachments, like this, and then plug it in. There is an area right here for you to plug it in. Just like that. And then as you can see, it all lit up. And for you to charge 1 all the way to 8 batteries, it's very simple. You can do it all at once. Now what's nice is you can do both AA and AAA batteries at the same time. To do the AAA, it is right here at the shorter area, and you just push it like that. Then the red light indicator goes on. So you just push it right there, and the plus goes up here. To do the AA, it's going to be, since it's larger, you're going to put it on the lower one down here. And then same thing, if you put it in, it will put the red indicator light on so you know it's charging. How awesome is this? And what we really like about rechargeable batteries is it really starts saving you money. And there you go. And then once it's fully charged, it is going to indicate green. Perfect. Definitely recommend it. Thank you, Power Owl, for sending this to me. Really love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.